Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. So, I think this new year is doing very good for you, and today we are going to talk about SketchUp. So, in this video, we will not just talk about SketchUp, but we will also learn a few things. Like you can see windows and doors over here, and we will learn how you can insert these windows and doors in your model. So there are two different ways of doing this. And first one is you can make a window, that is you can model a window in a SketchUp, or you can just import it from the warehouse. So over here, you can see our 3D warehouse. All you have to do is to sign in over here, and then you can simply download windows and doors, and you can just modify them according to your requirement, and then you can insert them in your model. Now, first of all, let's go over here and see if we have any viewer with us or not. So I will just say hello to all the viewers. Right now we have 4 viewers with us. So viewers, if you have any questions regarding SketchUp, you can just ask that question in the comment section, and I will definitely answer them for you. Okay. So if you have any questions, simply ask that, and I will continue with the model now. So over here, you can see that we have a window. And if I will just rotate my model a little bit, then you will see that I have so many openings for the windows of different widths. And I also have the opening for my door. But I have not inserted any window or door at these places. So how can I insert them? So my first requirement will be a window. Now, let's take the measurement of these openings. For that, I will use tape measure tool. And you can see it's almost 2 feet. Okay. Now, let's take the measurement of another window. So here you can see it is of almost 4 feet, a little less than 4 feet. Okay. Now, what is this one? This is an opening for 2 feet 6 inches. Okay. And I guess it is opening a door in the balcony. So you see, I have not worked on this model, but I can judge this model in this way. So it is a 2 feet 6 inch door opening. Okay. So what if I want to insert doors over here? So first thing that I will need will be, I need a wall over here. So I will take the measurement from the ground first at a height of 7 feet. 7 feet. And similarly, I will also take a measurement over here. But over here, we already have a wall, so we don't need that. So I have to just work on this portion. So I will take a line, draw a line from here to here, use my push-pull tool, and just merge these walls so that I can get a decent look for the door. Now I don't need this guideline, so I have deleted it. Now let's check what are the other things there in our model. So over here, I guess it is again a door beside the window. So I will just measure it. So yeah, it was a door. Okay, and over here we need a line to join this so that we can have a face over this place. I guess the architect was willing to provide a window, or he may have accidentally made it like this one. So I will just use my push pull tool and join the wall. Then using my eraser tool, I will delete the unnecessary line. Now let's see if our viewer has any question or not. So I can see none of the viewer has having any question. I will just refresh my page. So viewers, let's make this interacting, and let's not just skip it. Okay. So I guess I have just one viewer right now. So whosoever is he, just ask if you have any question regarding the SketchUp or any question regarding the civil engineering. I will definitely answer to you. Okay. And now I can see a window with a greater width. So I will also take the measurement of this one. So it's almost 6 feet, 1 hole 1 by 16 inches. So this is not a practical width. So at max we can go for 5 feet. So I will just take a measurement from here at 5 feet. 5 feet wide window is more than enough. Or even in this case, most of our windows are 4 feet. So I guess I will make it 4 feet then. So I will increase 1 more feet over here and remove my guidelines. Then on this side, we don't have any window. So I don't have to worry about this side. Now let's go to the model. And in the model, I will take the measurement of the door. So you can see you have to measure each and everything before you directly jump to the modeling. Okay, so we have a window of this much size and a door of 2 feet 6 inches. Again, I will show you the measurement. So it's 3 feet 7 hole 3 by 8 inches. So this happened because of the minimum space availability. Now I will simply copy this window, but before that, let me show you one more thing. You have to place this window 2 hole 3 by 4 inches deep in the wall. Okay, so I will simply click on move, hit the control button and make a copy of it over here. Now I have to place this window. So I will simply use my rotation tool. So either I can press Q for that and get my rotation tool and move it to 90-degree. Then I can simply replicate this using my move tool and hitting the control button. I will switch to the copy and place it over here. Then from here I will again make a copy and place it over here. And let's see, on the ground floor I also need a window, so again I will take a copy of it and place it over here. Let's see if I have a window of this size available in my model or not. Otherwise, I can model the window, or else I can scale this window. Now let's take the measurement of this one. So it's 3 feet 6 hole 1 by 8, and this one is 5 feet 5 hole 1 by 8 inches. So I can use this window and bring it over here. Now, using the rotation tool, I will simply rotate it to 90 degrees. I would like to delete this window and bring a copy of this one over here. Now I will simply fill this gap by the use of my push-pull tool. Then again, I can use such a window over here. So I will simply push it a little back and then go and select this window, use the move command, bring it over here, then rotate this along 90 degrees and move this window to this portion. Now again, using my push pull tool, I will bring it over here. So you can see placing windows in the model is a very simple process. I can also use this window at this place. Now let me show you one more thing. Instead of dragging it the wall all the time, you can also change the dimension of the window by just hitting the scale button and dragging the window like this. So this is up to you which technique you are using. If your plan is clearly telling you that you have to use the window in the same way as it is mentioned, then you will have to scale your window, or otherwise if your plan allows, then you can also make changes in the window. Now I will move a copy of this window over here, scale this one and bring it to the desired dimension. So this is the way of placing the windows in any model, or if you want, then also you can also use different types of windows. Now let's see. Yeah, so we have a few comments with us. So yeah, Arpit, hello Shivani, hello Umair, Hayat. So yes, Umair, I am fine, and yeah, it's good that you are interacting right now. So okay, I will just refresh the page and see if there are any more comments or if you have any question. So Arpit, Shivani, and Umair. If you have any question, then you can just ask that. Okay. So it's not like you have to just ask the questions related to SketchUp. You can ask anything related to civil engineering. So you're free to ask and make this session interactive. And let me know how are you all? Like Arpit, Shivani, and Umair. How are you? Till then, I will just go back over here and place the windows. Okay, so I will again use the move tool and come over here, but I guess this window is of similar size, so I will copy this one, and yes, this one is working. Now I will just copy this to another places and place it over there. So I am just making the multiple copies of this windows and placing it at the right place, and that's how I am working on it. I will also drag it out a single copy over here so that I can use my rotate tool and rotate it. So for the, even if you are using the move tool and you will go on the face, then it will just simply open the rotation tool for you. So you don't have to worry about it. Like you have to always change the tools. You can also use this technique to use your rotate tool. Okay. Now I have brought this window over here. Now I just need to place it on the last opening that we have, which is here. Now let's check again and see if we have any opening left or not. If any of them will be there, then we will simply fill them. Otherwise, we will remove the rest of those because I don't need them anymore. Let's look for the comment now. Arpit, sir, I want to learn Tekla, but my laptop 3 processor, what can I do? Arpit, in this case, if your laptop is i3 processor, then it will be very hard for you to work on the Tekla because it will make your laptop slower. So it is better if you get a i5 laptop. If your friend, any of your friend have that, then you can practice on that one because working on an i3 laptop, i3 processor is very tough, so it will give you a hard time. Okay, so it's better you can upgrade your laptop. Okay, and along with i5 you also need 8 GB RAM, so make sure that whenever going for a new laptop, then you are getting a 8 GB RAM laptop. 4 GB RAM will not work. Okay, okay guys, if you have any questions you can ask that. Okay, I will just go back to the software and we will start with the opening of doors. So I will just take out a copy of door from here and place it over here. Then I will simply rotate this one using my rotation tool. And hit the enter 90. Now using the move tool, I can make a copy of it and put it at my desired location. Okay, now I have to place the door over here and over here. So I will rotate this door again I will grab the face of this door. That is a much more sophisticated way of doing this. Now I will move the door to the desired location, that is over here, and then I will grab another point from here and place it on the ground floor. So you can see now all my doors and windows have been properly placed. Okay, so this is the way how we work when you have to place the doors and windows. And let's see if anyone is having any question. So Arpit is saying, okay sir, 8 GB है sir, but processor की problem है. That's why I learned STAAD Pro. Yeah, Arpit, that is a problem because i3 will not be enough for the Tekla. So it's okay. You can work on the STAAD Pro. Both are designing softwares, and it's just that working in Tekla is very much easier in comparison to STAAD Pro because you can also design the foundation and other things like slab in the Tekla Structural Designer, but you can't design the same in STAAD Pro. But if you are working on the STAAD Pro, you can learn the manual designs, okay, and you can design the foundation, slab, staircase, all these things manually, even if you are working with the software. But if you want to complete a project in minimum amount of time, then you must go for the best software, and uh, Tekla is way more faster than STAAD. So that's a true truth. So uh, whenever you have your laptop upgraded, you can just come to us or any other training center who is teaching Tekla, and you can learn from them. Even for the Tekla, like a recorded session of the Tekla, let me show you something that we have an offer right now, and I can show you about that one too. Till the 5th of the January, we have an offer on Tekla Structural Designer course. So you can search for the civil center from here. Yeah, over here I have civil center, and you can see we are also open for the recorded sessions now. Even if you want to practice more on the STAAD Pro, then you can get these recorded sessions. We have completed a live project, and it has almost 37 videos. So 30 videos are there on the Google Drive, and 7 videos are uploaded on the YouTube, and you will be given link to all the videos in the Google Drive itself. And because you can't just access all those videos directly, you need the proper links for that, and your mail ID will be given access to links. So using your registered mail ID, you can have access to all those. Yeah, so for the Tekla Structural Designer, we have already launched the recorded sessions. So I will show you that one. So you can see till the 5th of the January, we have on this our recorded sessions, and it is coming in just 1,999 instead of 7,500. So after the 5th of the January, this cost will drastically increase because the quality of the material that we are about to upload in this is good. And it's not like you will get just the recorded sessions. Along with these recorded sessions, you will also get 2 live demonstrations and 2 doubt clearing sessions. And even if for the recorded sessions of the STAAD Pro, then even in this one you will get the provisional demonstrations and 2 doubt clearing sessions along with the complete recorded course. And you will also be available the all the PDFs like the structural drawings and the architectural plans that we will in this particular course. Okay, so if anyone is having any question, just ask me that. Okay, because our model is almost finished by now. So over here, you can see that we have a nameplate, and this session was profoundly make for placing of the doors and windows in SketchUp, and I can see that all my doors and windows have been properly placed, and I have all shown you video of placing them, so you can use all these techniques and place these things in your model. So I'm just giving a little touch up by erasing the extra lines in my model. Oh, over here, I can see that on this floor, we also have the provision of placing the doors and windows. So I missed the top floor. So, okay, that's not an issue. Now I think we have doors in these directions. All I need to do is to first create the space in the proper way over here, and I can do that. So I will just select the surface using the tape measure tool. I will take the measurement of 7 feet because that's the height. Actually, that's the lintel level, and that is where we can place the doors. So I will just draw a line from here to here, and then using the push pull tool, I will drag the line and make a space for my door. Similarly, I can use the technique at this place. Using the tape measure tool, I will simply mark 7 feet, and then I will draw a line using my line tool, and then I will pull it on the edge. Using the eraser tool, I will just erase these unnecessary lines, these guidelines, and now I have the proper openings. Let's check for the headroom too. Over here, everything seems fine because we have just one door. Yeah, so viewers, if you are having any question, just ask me. Um, yes, sir, I do a project in DAC 2020 STAAD Pro से बहुत time लग गया था. I think you are talking about Instack, and if you are talking about that one, so yeah, a STAAD Pro will take a lot of time, and that's a steel designing competition. So obviously, you need to design the steel structures in a very sophisticated way in that one. So Arpit, from which college you are? Uh, and now I will just place the windows and the doors. So for that, I will just copy a window from here. Place it over here. Then using the scale tool, I will simply go a model, or I can just move this one in this direction, place it properly, and then I can scale it. Now all I have to do is to copy my door, and place it. Again, copy and place it. Now just select both the doors, use the scale tool and scale it at once. Now I have just one more opening left. So let's see. Okay, Arpit is from Kota. Okay, Rajasthan Technical University, right? Okay, so other viewers, if you have any questions you can ask, or if you have any suggestion for me that I I should come live on a different software, a different topic, you can just write your suggestion over here, and I will definitely try to come live on the particular topic. Okay, so it's not like the viewers who are just watching right now can have the suggestion. Those viewers who are watching this particular video later, they can also have their suggestions and write down in the comment section. Okay, and I will definitely answer, make a video on that particular topic. So if you want to learn anything, you can also write a request for that. Okay. Okay, now let's come to the software and do the last finishing touch, and it will be like hitting the nail in the coffin. Okay, so over here I will just use my move tool and bring forward a copy of this one. Use my rotation tool to just rotate it on 90 degree, and then again using my move tool to place it properly, scale tool to scale it to the proper dimension. Now you can see that over here we are having a space. So I will just measure that space for you. So here you can see it's almost 2 inches deep, and you can do the similar thing for the windows. So even if you want to move your windows to the center of the wall, you can do that, because in practical you have to keep the windows in the same way. So I will just move the windows 2 inches inside our model, inside the walls. Okay, so it's not like you have to do it for each and every window individually. You can use a simple technique, like you have to first select the windows who are facing in the same direction, or you can say that are facing in the same direction, then uh, use the move tool and simply move it 2 inches deeper in the wall. And you can see all the windows that were selected have moved 2 inches deeper in the wall. So this is a simple technique which will save a lot of your time while working on it. Now we will do the same for the windows on this wall. So I will simply select the windows and I'm doing all this to just make it look more practical. Now using my move tool, I will just push it 2 inches deep in the wall, and you can see all the windows have been moved. So this is how you give the finishing touch on any of your model. And if you have any question regarding any trick that I have used in this model, then you can ask me. Okay. So I think no one is having any question, but still I will just refresh my page and see if I'm getting a comment or not. Okay, guys, so that was all for today, I guess. And in the last, let me show you, if you want to get the recorded session of SketchUp, then I have already uploaded 11 videos, and I will also upload one more video tonight. So it will be 12 videos on total, and we will keep like this in our recorded sessions. Also, we have another provision for the render with Lumiere, and in this, we have added 6 videos on 2 different projects. So we will keep adding multiple projects in this, and we are having a plan of adding 30 projects on this. And it's not like it is very much expensive, because right now under the offer you can get all the recorded session in just 499. So guys, it's a very good opportunity for all of you, so go and get it. Thank you and have a nice day, or it's almost night, so good night. I will just end the session.